Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. The rain's finally stopped. Let us get a little work done today. We're out at a beautiful horse farm, getting some windows put in. Say and Macario are getting started, cutting the brick back, putting this double, and we're going to put a new small slider up here. Plan is to get this brick toothed back. Grant Richardson's going to be doing our brickwork for us. Get the brick pulled back, get our framing in place, get the old window pulled out, work from the outside in, and save our bricks for repairs. These people have a lot more light in their house. We're using Simonton windows. Been real happy with their performance. I'll keep you posted with progress. As always, if we can help you out with your exterior carpentry, window replacement, roof replacements, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.